Such a tragedy, oh, it's overtaken me. I never thought that this could be. I've got no one left. Tears flooded in my eyes. I couldn't even recognize the one who calls the dead to rise was right in front of me. What a glorious collision when you came and turned it around. Death became life. Everything changed when you came into sight. The heartache was gone, the pain was undone. With just one touch of your glorious love, you turned it around. Oh, now I celebrate the miracle you did that day. All my tears you wiped away and fill me with your joy. Now I praise your name, the name that's stronger than the grave, the name that has the power to save.